Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class 9th class. 9th class we are reading unit 3 word processor. In this we had completed our third sessions and now we are reading session number 4 creating a table. In creating a table I already told you how to create a table and how to enter data in this. Now I am going to tell you how to delete cell, row, columns and table. So in this we have a normally it is very easy. We need to just click on our cell, table, row and after that we need to go on the layout. There is a option delete. In this we have so many options: delete cell, delete row, delete column or delete table. We need to just select it out. And in normal life what we do, we just select our cell and use delete key from the keyboard. Okay, in this our first option is deleting a cell. To delete a cell, first of all we need to select our cell. After that we need to go on the layout. In this row and column group, click on the delete button. All of you can see here is delete cell, delete column, delete row and delete table option. In this you click delete cell and it will delete your desired cell. In deleting a cell it will provide two options: shift cell left, shift cell up. So whatever you want you can delete it. Second is deleting a row or columns. If you want to delete a row, we need to just click on our row or column, we select it and after that same as we just go on the layout, then click on row and column and delete row and delete column and after that it will delete it. Third thing is deleting a table. If we want to delete our table from the MS Word, what we do, we just select our table and we just press delete key from the keyboard, it will delete. But in theory book what we do, we just select and after that we can click on the layout. There is delete table option. In this we click on it, it will delete it. Next is splitting and merging a table. In smaller classes all of you got it and all of you read it. Splitting means whenever we make two tables from one table, it will splitting. Merging means whenever we make a single table from two tables, means दो से एक बनाना merging होता है, एक से दो बनाना splitting होता है. To split a table, what we do, we need to just select our location and after that we need to go on the layout and just click on the split table. Whenever we click on this, our table will be generated into two parts like this. We need to keep our cursor between this. Merging a table, if we want to merge a table, what we do, we just keep our cursor and what we need to do, delete. Whenever you delete, space will reduce and your table attached with together. It is known as merging. Copying a table means how to copy a table. So if you want to copy a table, bring the mouse pointer or the table move handle and right click on it. We have table move handler to handle our table. So you just click on this. After clicking here, it will provide a option copy. You can directly do it. We just select our table. After that we just press Ctrl+C from the keyboard and from the mouse we can do it and after that we can paste our data or our table anywhere. Moving a table means, I already told you in the last class, moving a table means cut paste. So it is same, we need to select our data, after that we need to click on cut and after that we need to require a new location and there is we need to paste it. In this we need to click on table move handler, there is cut option, we need to click it. After that we need to give another location and what we do, we just click on paste and control plus P. It will give our table in a new location. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.